Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time. So first you want to make sure the vehicle's on, which it is, and then you wait a moment for everything to load. It should look similar to this if it's the factory setup. If this looks different, you might have some aftermarket radio installed, so it'd be different buttons. But from your home screen, you can scroll and push menu to enter, and back if you need to go back. But from settings, we'll go to menu, and then scroll if needed to time and date, push menu, and then set time, menu again. And then here you can see what it's on based on what's slightly bluer. So you want to change the hour, it's selected, and then you just go up or down, and then scroll over again to menu, up or down, and then same, you can change it to military if you prefer that. Let's go back. And then same process for dates. See, it's right now it's on the days. Now that is darker, I can change that. And same with, just go back to whatever we want to change. We'll change the month to whatever makes most sense. If you ever have to disconnect the battery or something like that, you might be prompted to have to redo all these. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.